Music in the morning.
Alright, welcome back. Ty here. Got a little quick tip for you today with Soothe 2. I talked about how I used it in my master chain last week, but this week I'm going to really break it down on how to make your vocals sit into a beat. And I've kind of simplified it here, but what I'm doing is I'm running it on a 2-track, so I got my beat and I got my vocals. Now if you were to be doing the same thing on like a whole mixing chain, basically what you're going to want to do is you can just put it on your vocal bus. So I'll go in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Basically, go ahead and throw your Soothe 2 on your vocal and then create a new bus, side chain it up here. So basically if you're going to create a new bus, you can go up here if you don't have any more left over, like I didn't. Bus, create new, mono, rename it, boom, vocal side chain. So now with that being said, in your Soothe 2, you go up here to the top, bus, let's see, bus, vocal side chain. And then basically what I got it set up here is so you're just focusing on the mids. You got a little roll off here, roll off back here, and then boosting in the mids. So it just kind of makes it feel more as one. So let's go ahead, show it without it.
Me too, I'm making this break, it's cash rules. You better place your bets, cause I can't lose. I'm dripping her
now with it.
Caught me a paddock, she suck on my wrist, and I do. We buying out these and she mine for the season. Talk loose, I might empty the clip. Come back tomorrow, he trying to barter. Only talk cash or I flip. Only talk cash or I flip. This money so cold, ain't no single my shoe. How you gonna lie? Put on your life, don't even feel safe in your home.
Another thing too, you got to make sure the side chain is activated down here. It'll glow. So with that being said, let me just, this particular song, I don't want it to be super tucked. I do want the vocals to kind of sit slightly on top, but not too far on top that it doesn't feel as one. So I'll go ahead and see here without it.
We buying out these and she mine for the season. Talk loose, I might empty the clip. Come back tomorrow, he trying to barter. Only talk cash or I flip. Only talk cash or I flip. This money so cold, ain't no single my shoe. Hey.
Got my vocals slightly low on this. I'm just very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and just bump them up just a touch. So let's see.
Fuck it, spin it again. Can't put weight, yeah, I'ma leave you. Don't scuff the shoes, yeah, they brand new. Can't play it cool, you a fan too. I know most of these bitches been ran through. All black fit looking like a sad song, but I ain't going out sounding like a sad song. I'ma bust bitch down, keep my pants on. Touchdown, new country, like where it go. Where it go, like she was looking for Waldo. Been on his grind, he been skating like Otto. Money talk loud,
so I'm gonna go ahead and with the depth. That's the main thing you want to worry about here. Everything else is kind of set it to default. You just want a decent fast attack, fast release. These I believe are set as default. You know, I got my mix at 100%. Make sure that you're on the left and right. And let's go ahead and see here again. I'll just take it all the way down.
Me too, I'm making this break, it's cash rules. You better place your bets, cause I can't lose. I'm dripping high fashion, I caught me a paddock, she suck on my wrist, and I do. We buying out these and she mine for the season. Talk loose, I might empty the clip. Come back tomorrow, he trying to barter. Only talk cash or I flip. Only talk cash or I flip. This money so cold, ain't no single my shoe. Hey.
See how that just kind of sucks it down in there? It's not something super major, and you can do this through EQ and everything, but it's a nice little way of doing it. Plus it does take away some harshness, so it makes it kind of smooth. Now if you're wanting to do it in a reverse way to make it sit more on top, you put your Soothe on your beat and then your side chain on your audio, on your vocal bus. I can't talk, but basically that also too, I think through both of these it does create a way to where, from what I've seen online and everything, and from what I've done with experience, is it makes it so there's frequencies that are not combating each other, so it also comes across smoother, hence soothing it. But hey, that's a pretty smooth, super simple little tip. It just kind of glues everything together. You know, there's other ways to do it, but this is a nice way to do it too. And plus, Soothe 2 is like $200, $210, depending on where you're getting it. So if you can use it in multiple assets to get your money's worth on that, I suggest running it up. But hey, this is Ty bringing you radio quality music from home. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I'm going to be getting back to doing videos once a week. Try to keep you up to date here. Like I said in the last video, I got my studio all rebuilt, everything all revamped, got new equipment. So I'm running smooth again. I'm loving it. I'm locked in, clocked in. I'm here to help. Catch you next week. Peace.